To set up iCloud storage and enable app data synchronization on your iPhone, follow these steps. 1. Open Settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. 2. Access Profile. At the top of the screen, you'll see your profile. Tap on it to access your Apple ID settings. 3. Select iCloud. Scroll down and locate the iCloud option. Tap on it. Once inside the iCloud menu, you'll see your iCloud storage summary at the top. By default, iCloud provides 5 GB of free storage, and you can also view how much of it has been used, e.g., 5 GB total, 8.3 MB used. Enable App Sync. Scroll down to see a list of apps installed on your device that are eligible to sync data to iCloud. For any app whose data you want to back up, toggle the switch next to it to on. Enable Photos. Sync if you wish to save your photos and videos. Automatically to iCloud. Tap on the Photos option. Inside, you'll find 2 settings, iCloud Photos and Shared Albums. Turn both options on. Once you enable iCloud Photos, the syncing process will begin. This may take a few seconds, so wait until it completes. Once enabled, all your photos and videos will automatically back up to iCloud. This ensures that your media files are securely saved and accessible across all your Apple devices. There's no further action required. Your setup is complete.